Hi friends, how are you all? This is Chandu
And this is Pooh. We are doing fun Q&A.
Yes.
And normal Q&A also about friends. So let's start.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Take your questions. And this will be raw. Everything will be raw. Nothing will be edited. Let's see what she knows about me.
First, we will start, right?
Okay, I will start.
Okay.
A few moments later.
So here are some questions we both have taken. So first question for you is, if we swapped the lives for a day, what's the first thing you would do as me?
I will buy all the costly products just like you.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं.
I know that you will tell this only. Now it's your chance.
Okay. If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where we would go?
Paris.
I thought she will say Disneyland.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग 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 करता है तू
Okay. What's the most random thing I have ever done?
Random thing. Street shopping. Street shopping. Mostly she don't do. She purchase in the brands only, like so-called influencer.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
And next question is yours.
So, what's your most embarrassing moment that I don't know about?
The most embarrassing moment that you don't know. That when I was a kid, I went to Spencer's and I've taken chocolate. I have not given the money to them.
Oh my god. Spencer's, you should look at us.
I was at that time. I was, I think, in 8th class or 9th class. And the next question is, what's a goal or dream you think we should accomplish together?
Becoming famous by 25.
ए रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
Okay. Next question.
If I was a superhero, what would be my superpower be?
If you would be the superhero.
Yes.
Okay. The superpower I wish you get is being invisible.
That's true.
Being invisible.
That's all.
And next question is, what's something you have always wanted to ask me but never did?
You are from another planet.
Shut up! Not from another planet, from this planet only.
No. What she'll do will be, whatever she do, it is like we even don't know that such thing exists. That's how she used to do. So that's why I want
It's
to
not
ask her
like that, guys.
Are you from this planet only or are you from another planet?
जलवा है हमारा.
It's not like that. I am from this planet only. And next question, you will ask me.
If I would live in any fictional universe, which one it would be?
I would think that in a fictional universe, you be a millionaire.
Okay. Hope so.
अमीर बनो अमीर.
Next question. What's the craziest thing you have ever done because of me?
Actually, there are many. So I just want to remember the best one.
जल्दी बोल.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Actually, वो क्या था कि
She don't remember anything, guys. She don't remember anything. It's a moment
actually I am so busy with my work, so I am.
Oh my God, busy. Because she always lives with me only, even though she is busy.
Yes.
The most funniest thing, I would remember is when we both were working in TechM, we had a group of friends, and every day when we used to travel by metro, we used to have funny talks in metro about the people.
Yes.
That is the funniest thing we always do. If our friends also will see this video, remember that thing. Okay. I think you received the questions.
Yes.
Once check your WhatsApp.
Okay. See, that's why I believe she's from another planet.
If you had, now you should ask, right?
Okay. What's
No, I should only ask because you have not given the answer to that question.
okay? चलो guys, जाने दो.
जाने दो. What's the one thing you think I should try that I would never consider?
शायद तुम्हें ये जो रैपिडो वैपिडो करके जाती हो वो नहीं करके पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करना चाहिए तो शायद इसके रैपिडो बैलेंस से ना हम मिनी स्टार्टअप रख सकते हैं. इतना यूज किया इसने रैपिडो. एक्चुअली ये रैपिडो का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होना चाहिए.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा.
Okay. Next question you should ask me.
What's a weird habit I have that you secretly love?
Weird habit that I secretly love. Controlling her anger. Whenever she is angry, the person who is very close to her only understands that she is angry. That's the best thing I love about her. Even though she is angry, no one will know that she is angry.
See guys, superhero tricks. Okay, now yours chance.
Okay. If we were stranded on a desert island, what 3 things would you bring?
Obviously, if it is a desert, he'll bring sand.
Okay.
Sand and flowers.
Desert flowers.
Yeah, they are rare. We can bring by searching. And that cactus, guys. That
I will take that and beat her on the red only.
I'll bring that for her.
Okay, next question. Ask me next question.
Okay, I'm thinking that you.
See, guys, she tell me that I came from another planet.
How did we meet?
How did we meet? We met in the great Tech Mahindra.
Okay.
We met in Tech Mahindra as a colleagues, and now we are best friends. Best friends forever.
प्यारी समझ गई.
Okay, okay. Yes. So, now yours, I think.
Okay. Who would play you and me in a movie about a friendship?
You and me.
Which hero or heroine can play a good role
that,
about you and me?
there is a movie called in Telugu Nuvu Vastanante Nenu Vantana, Siri and Lalli actually.
Oh my god.
Character.
But in real life, we are like always quarreling with each other, fighting.
Sometimes it happens because it's
Oh my god, we never respect each other.
which we don't have in friendship. Respect is the only thing which we don't have in friendship.
Okay, next question.
And if you think our best friend is respecting you more than usual, then you have to suspect him that something is going with him or her. Maybe someone has did some black magic on them. Yes. Now it's your
What's something I do that annoys you but you secretly love?
ये जो that new food things, she want to try some different weird things. First I don't use it to like it, but later on it is the matter of food, so I love food. That's why I love that thing.
चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
Yes, I like to try new things like sushi, momos, fries, and what
That,
is the one we tried?
Last time actually we tried that ice cream वाला, वो जो टर्किश वाला
हाँ,
ice cream
Turkish
होता है
ice
ना,
cream,
वो.
yes.
Now it's my turn, I guess.
You turn, go.
Serious. This is the childhood memory jokes actually she do. What's one thing you wish I knew about you? This can be
Oh.
little more or deep.
The one thing she can know, she know everything about me. It's been 2.5 years of a friendship.
Yes.
She knows everything about me. She has seen my bad, my goods, everything. But still, if one thing I would like her to know specifically is that I love her a lot.
Skipping the question in a nice
No.
way.
There is nothing that I have hidden from her. She knows each and everything about me. There is nothing she is hidden from her.
This is how the things are hidden, guys. Hi friends, how are you all? This is Jen.